everybody, this is Nishita Pandey and you're watching my channel Fluorescence. Today I'm going to share with you how to fix your broken makeup. The ingredient which you can get it from anywhere, like it's a very handy sort of ingredient. Like I am using here is sanitizer. You can use any sanitizer, but I saw many of a blogger using alcohol free liquid. And I choose sanitizer because it has the ability to not create any kind of bacteria in your makeup. If you use any rose water, any sort of water, it will create bacteria. So that is why the sanitizer is the best way to fix your broken makeup and also not get any harm to your face. So yeah, that's it. And that product which I am talking about, the 70% alcohol free solution, you can get it from Amazon also, because you have the option, we have the option to buy it from Amazon. So yeah, so without any ado, let's get into the video. So welcome back, and this is the way you can fix your broken makeup. And also you have the option to buy that product from Amazon, and that's it from my side. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. And that's it from my side. Till then, bye bye, see you soon.